So how do you get rid of the voiceover on an iPad? Let's get started. So if you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss tutorials like this one. Well, the voiceover is a feature which is part of the accessibility, which everything that you click on just gets read out loud to you, right? So it is designed with that purpose, and you can basically turn it off in the settings, accessibility, and of course, you can see the voiceover at the top. The only issue is that with the voiceover on, the navigation around the iPad is a bit difficult. So the way that you select things is that you need to double tap on them to get inside, right? Instead of just tapping once, which will just read out loud the name of the thing you selected. So this is what makes the difference. Keep in mind, however, that if you have the Siri turned on, you can also trigger Siri with holding down on the power button, or even, using the Hey Siri command, and you'll be able to just instruct it to turn off the voiceover feature like that. So you will not even have to touch the screen. You'll be able to just say your command and the voiceover should be turned off, right? So I would believe that this is even a simpler method to do it compared to just getting through the settings and trying to find it there. But in case you just want to find it in the settings, again, it's part of the accessibility and it's right there at the top of the list. So that's it from me. Let me know what you think about that below. In case of any questions, leave them below, but most definitely stay tuned to the Foxtecc tutorials by subscribing and you're not going to miss anything important.